So discounting of the bill. Now here discount is that immediate relief that they give from the amount that you are supposed to pay. And when it is a negotiable instrument or any bill of exchange, when you immediately require money, we will be uh, giving that bill or bill of exchange to the bank, and we will be getting the money. Okay, so that is discounting of a bill. Now here the process of paying immediate cash on the purchase of a bill from a holder of a bill after deducting the interest on the face value of a bill for the unexpired period is called as discounting of the bill. It means that suppose if there are two people, P and Q. Okay, I already have explained about these bills and discounting part, but then again let us understand it once more. So here P is supposed to pay Q 100 rupees, for example. Okay, so but P will say, I don't have money now, I will pay you after 1 month. So here they will draw a bill of exchange. Now in this bill of exchange, okay, Q, or let's make this as 10,000 rupees, a little more value will give better meaning. So they will draw a bill of exchange where they will write that P will pay Q 10,000 rupees after 1 month. Let's say now it is January 6th today, so on February 6th he will pay the amount. So they will draw a bill of exchange. Now who will have this bill of exchange? Q will have the bill of exchange. Okay. Now Q is in immediate need of money. He requires this 10,000 rupees. So what will Q do? Q will take the bill of exchange to the nearest bank. Okay. And he will give the bill of exchange. Now bank will deduct the interest on the unexpired period. Unexpired period is, let's say on Jan 6th they draw the bill of exchange. Now on Jan 8th Q has taken the bill of exchange to the bank. Jan 6th he got the bill of exchange. On Jan 8th he has taken it to the bank. Okay, now from January 8th to February 6th, this is unexpired period. It has not expired yet. February 6th has not come yet. So Jan 8th to February 6th is called as unexpired period. So for this time, the bank will deduct a small part of money, which is called as interest, and leftover they will give back to Q. Now let's say out of 10,000, they have deducted 200 rupees. So remaining 9,800 rupees will be paid back to Q. Okay, so that this procedure, this whole procedure is called as bill of discounting or bills discounting. Did you all understand the concept? Understanding concept is very important here. Good. So the process of paying immediate cash. So Q got his cash immediately because he took it to the bank. Now, the process of paying immediate cash by the bank after deducting the interest, instead of paying him full 10,000, they deducted 200 rupees interest on the face value of the bill. Now, face value of the bill is nothing but 10,000 rupees. Okay, so that face value of, on that face value of the bill, they deducted interest. Now that interest was for unexpired period. What is unexpired period? Now since there is a gap between January 8th and February 6th, right? So this is called as unexpired period. February 6th has not come yet. We are still in January. So the time which is yet to come, that will be the unexpired period. Okay, so when the bank pays immediate cash after deducting interest for the unexpired period, that is called, that is called discounting of a bill. Now is it clear? Bhavya, did you understand now? Okay, good. Now next, the rebate or interest calculated on the face value of the bill for unexpired period is called bill discount. Now the interest is calculated on face value. 10,000 rupees is the face value in our example. Now on this, if they calculate the interest amount for unexpired period, that is Jan 8th to February 6th, that amount, they'll give you a percentage. That amount is called as bill discount. Okay, so the 200 rupees in our example, the 200 rupees which they deducted, that is calculated on the face value of the bill multiplied with the interest percentage into unexpired period. Okay, remaining period to, if you see here, remaining period to maturity, this is called as unexpired period. Okay, now this interest, this 200 rupees interest is an expense for the holder receiving the immediate cash. Now out of P and Q, who wanted cash? Q wanted cash immediately. He took that bill of exchange to the bank and bank deducted 200 and paid 9,800 to Q, right? The 200 is deducted from Q, correct? So it is an expense for Q because he immediately wanted cash. He was supposed to receive money after 1 month. Okay, P was supposed to pay him after 1 month. But since he immediately wanted cash, he went to the bank and got it discounted. And because he got it discounted immediately, that is why the 200 is been deducted. Okay, so that is bills discount. Now, how do we calculate that discount? There is a formula. Amount of the bill, that is the face value, into remaining period to maturity. When did I take it to the bank? On January 8th, I took it to the bank. From that date till the last date of, or the date of maturity, that will be the remaining period to maturity, which is nothing but unexpired period. And then multiply that with rate of interest that will be given. If you use this formula, you're going to get the discount amount. Okay, you're going to get the discount amount. So this is how you find out the discounting of the bill and the amount of discount. Is the concept clear? Any doubts until here? Good. Now, the next important thing that we have to understand is the types of discount. Okay, there are two major types of discount. One is true discount, the other one is banker's discount. Okay, so let us understand what is true discount. It is the simple interest calculated on the present value of the bill. So we have solved simple interest problems. We know what is simple interest. When you calculate the interest on the principal, it is called as simple interest. So true discount is the simple interest on the present value of the bill. And this is also called as retiring discount. So another name of true discount is retiring discount. Okay, and there is a formula given, that is ANR divided by 100 plus NR, or there is one more formula, true discount is equal to PNR by 100. So if you remember, we used to calculate simple interest by PTR by 100, correct? Now in the place of T you have N. Okay, N is the number of days that is remaining, or now period of discounting. Okay, what it's not number of days remaining, how many days, for how many days are we discounting the bill. Okay, in ANR, amount or the face value of the bill into number of days into rate of interest divided by 100 plus NR. Okay, so this is true discount, where we will be calculating simple interest on the present value of the bill. Okay, so that is your first type of discount. The next type of discount is banker's discount. This is also simple interest on the, this is face value. If you see here, this is present value and this is face value. That is the difference. So what is the difference? True discount is on today's date. On the value of today's date of the bill, I am calculating the discount amount. But if you see here, banker's discount is on the face value of the bill. And this is known as commercial discount. Your true discount is known as retiring discount, and your banker's discount is known as commercial discount. And this banker's discount is used, is analyzed with this formula of ANR by 100. So true discount ANR by 100 plus NR, and banker's discount ANR by 100. Okay, so these are the two major types of discount. Now moving further, we have to understand few more concepts, that is banker's gain, which means if the excess of banker's discount over true discount is called banker's gain. So banker's discount minus true discount, if at all banker's discount is more than the true discount, then it is called as banker's gain. So we will be calculating true discount. We will be calculating banker's discount. Okay. And then if you find the difference between those two, you will get banker's gain. And there is one more formula for banker's gain, which is AN square R square divided by 100 into 100 plus NR. Now, we will be using this formula also in few cases. As and when we solve the problem, I will teach you how to solve it. Okay. So, what is banker's gain? The excess of banker's discount over true discount is called as banker's gain. Okay. So, banker's gain is the interest on true discount, which the bankers gain while discounting the bill. You'll get confused now. We will understand this sentence while we are solving the problem. So, just understand the difference between the banker's discount and true discount is called as banker's gain. Is it clear? Okay. Now next is present value. How do we find the present value of the bill? The present value or present worth of the bill due at the end of any period is its actual value at the present time. So on today's date, what is the value of the bill? That is known as present value. Okay, on today's date, what is the value of the bill? That is known as present value. So it is the value of the bill which is receivable at present from the party liable on it. So whoever is liable to buy or to get that bill, that is called as present value. And on today's date, if we calculate, it will be the present value. So the formula for that is face value minus true discount. So face value of the bill minus true discount, if you subtract, you will get present value of the bill. Or there are some more formulas. As per the information provided in the problem, we will have to see and use the formula. So if we have other information, then the formula is P is equal to A into 100 divided by 100 plus NR, or P is equal to TD, that is true discount, into 100 divided by N into R. Okay, today's worth of the bill we are calculating. So that is present value. Next, let us understand what is face value or amount of the bill. It is the value of the bill that is always payable after a certain period. Now, in our example of P and Q, P was supposed to pay 10,000 to Q, and that 10,000 which was payable will become the face value or amount of the bill. Okay, so face value is nothing but present value plus interest on present value for the credit period granted. This is for the sake of formula that they have given to you, but overall the total amount should be taken. So amount is equal to P plus I. That is one formula. Now in the place of I, they have taken this P plus NR by 100. Or there is one more formula. If at all they have given you banker's discount and true discount, then you can use this formula. That is banker's discount into true discount divided by banker's discount minus true discount. So these are the formulas. Here you just have to remember the formulas and solve the problem. Okay. Now next is discounted value. What is discounted value? It is the net amount received by the holder of the bill after deducting banker's discount from the face value or amount of the bill. So in our example, out of 10,000, when bank deducted 200 rupees and gave him 9,800, this is called as discounted value. Okay, that 9,800 is the discounted value. Okay. Next, retired value. It is the net amount available after deducting true discount from the face value of the bill. So retired value is amount of the bill minus true discount. If you deduct true discount from the bill, then it is called as retired value. Is it clear? Any doubts until here? So these are the important concepts you are supposed to understand. Now let us go to the problems directly. Okay. So first problem, find the true discount on 600 rupees due 4 years hence at 5% per annum. Also find banker's discount. Okay, so here this is the first question. We are supposed to find the true discount here. So first we will write what all is available to us. So the bill value is 600 rupees and they are supposed to pay the 600 rupees for 4 years. Now don't see the bill value and think only 600. No, not like that. Since these are example problems for you to understand the concept, the numbers will be simple. Okay, but in daily business, they will be utilizing such values, they will be utilizing such bills for 6 lakh rupees or 60 lakh rupees. It can be any amount. Okay, so let us start. First, we will write what all is given to us. So, solution given, amount is given to us, that is 600 rupees. And then the duration here is denoted by capital N. In simple interest, we usually take it as time, simple interest and compound interest. But in bill discounting, we represent that with N. So N is 4 years. Now next, after that, rate of interest is 5%. Rate of interest is 5%. Now let us write the true discount formula. So true discount is equal to, now if you see or if you go back to the first type of discount, you can either use ANR by 100 plus NR or you can use PNR by 100. Now since the amount is given to us or the face value of the bill is given to us, yeah, correct Spurti, right answer. So we will be considering the first formula. Okay, so ANR divided by 100 plus NR. So A is 600 into 4 into 5% divided by 100 plus N is 4 into 5. So 600 into 4 into 5 will give you 12,000 divided by 120. 4 5s are 20 plus 100 is 120. Therefore, your true discount is rupees 100. True discount is rupees 100. Everybody understood this problem? Okay. Now, if you see the question, apart from true discount, they have also asked us to find out banker's discount. Let us also find out banker's discount for the same problem. Okay. Banker's discount or BD, capital B and D. BD is equal to ANR by 100. So 600 into 4 into 5 by 100. So 12,000 by 100. So your banker's discount is rupees 120. Very good. Is it clear? True discount, banker's discount. Good. Okay, now let us go to the next problem. Now here they have asked to find out true discount and banker's gain. And actually they have also asked to find out banker's discount. Okay, now can you people find the true discount and banker's discount? Banker's gain, I will help you how to find. Okay, try this out. Bill amount is given, that is amount is 10,450. The number of years is given, but it is given in months. Okay, always convert that to the year. So your amount is 10,450, 10,450, and then the time period n is 3 months. So what you should do, you should divide it by 12, because we have to convert everything to year. Don't consider in months or days directly. Fine. And rate of interest is 5%. Now calculate the values. You can take this as 0.25. Say me what will be the true discount here. True discount is 129.012. No. Don't take it as 130. 129.0, right? If it is more than 5 after decimal, then it is 130. If not, it is 129. Yes, don't take it as 130. Be careful. So 13,062.5 divided by 101.25. How much do you get? Rupees 129.012. Now here, after decimal, if this number is more than 5, then you can take it as 130. Don't round off simply. If not, it is 129. So this is the true discount. Very good. Now calculate the banker's discount. What is the formula? ANR by 100. Same 10,450 into 0.25 into 5% divided by 100. Okay, so here what do you have? 13,062.5 divided by 100. So you get rupees 130.625. Okay, let me write it a little the other side. 13,062.5 by 100 will give you 130.625. Yeah, now if you see, it is more than 6. Now you can round it off to 131. Okay, now you can round it off to 131. But in the previous one where you had 0, there you cannot round it off. Okay, so here you can just write it as rupees 131. Now coming to banker's gain. Banker's gain is the difference between banker's discount and true discount. Okay, so banker's discount is rupees 131 and true discount is rupees 129. So what is the difference? 2 rupees. Okay, so this is the banker's gain. And in bill discounting, do not forget to write rupees for everything. The final answer has to be in rupees. Okay, please don't just write number, write rupees and then write the answer. Clear? Good. Now moving on to the next question. A bill for rupees 4,000 drawn on May 27th for 4 months was discounted on July 19th at 5% per annum. Find bankers discount, true discount, bankers gain and discounted value. So we have to understand what all is given to us, and then only we have to solve. So let us see what all is given to us. So firstly, amount is given to us, that is 4,000, and then apart from that, rate of interest, one second. Okay. Apart from that, rate of interest is given to us, that is 5% per annum. And if you see the date, the bill was drawn on May 27th for 4 months and was discounted on July 19th. So in this problem, we have to calculate the bill date. Okay, we are expected to calculate the bill date here. So let us calculate the bill date. So first, the bill was drawn on 27th May. The bill was drawn on 27th May. That is what is given to us, right? The bill was drawn on 27th May. And what is the time period? The bill was due 4 months. The bill was due 4 months from 27th May. It was drawn on 27th May. From 27th May, 4 months was the due date. Okay. Now calculate from 27th May. 27th May means, in May, how many days do we have? 31. Okay. 31 minus 26, that will be 5 days in May. Then June, you will have 30 days. July, you'll have 31 days. August, June, July, August, September, until that you will have to get. So June, July, August. August is again 31 days. Then September is 30 days. Full 4 months. June, July, August, September. Okay, full 4 months it is there. Now, in every bill of exchange, okay, in every bill of exchange, you are supposed to add 3 days as grace. I hope you remember this concept. When it is a bill of exchange, we add 3 days as grace days. Correct? Yeah. Now that also we are adding. So let us calculate how many days in total, or when will that come to? From 27th, 4 months means June, July, August, September. So 4 months. Wait. This is not full 30 days. This will be 27. So now check how many days you have got. Here 5 days plus 30 plus 31 plus 31 and then 27 plus 3. So you have totally got 127 days, right? So you have totally got 127 days. But what is, yeah, correct, 127 days. But what is required for us is the date. Okay. So what is the maturity date? Let us write it like that. Maturity date. That is 27th May to 27th June is 1 month. 27 June to 27 July is 2 months. 27 July to 27 August is 3 months. 27th August to 27th September is 4 months. Correct? 27th date is important. 27 to 27, May to June, first month. June to July, second month. July to August, third month. August to September, fourth month. Plus 3 days grace. So from 27th September, if you add 3 days, the date will be what? 27 plus 3 is 30th. So your date, maturity date of the bill will be 30th September.